Mitsubishi Pajero. That's what happens if you don't change your oil in your engine. It's a V6 gasoline Mitsubishi Pajero Sport and 50,000 kilometers mileage, and with no oil change because of the tricky dealers just doesn't change the oil in Russia. That's what happens when you don't change the oil, just add a little. The reason the client comes to service is car was rough idling, and when we measured compression, there was no compression on this head. Then we disassembled the engine and see the reason was a burnt valve and this gunk all over the engine. So guys, you better change the oil. Subscribe, press thumbs up. Bye bye.